This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Welcome back to Smart Market Watch. Today we're discussing Apple Inc., AAPL, the world's largest technology company by market capitalization, and its stock performance over the last 7 days. Apple continues to be at the forefront of tech innovation, and this week was no exception, with major announcements surrounding new products, strategic partnerships, and potential challenges. This week, all eyes were on Apple as it launched its highly anticipated iPhone 16. With upgraded cameras, a new A17 Bionic chip, and expanded AI capabilities, the iPhone 16 is expected to be one of Apple's best-selling devices. Pre-orders have already exceeded expectations, with demand particularly strong in key markets like the US, Europe, and China. The iPhone is still Apple's flagship product, accounting for over 50% of the company's revenue, so a successful launch is crucial for Apple's financial performance. Early reviews suggest that the iPhone 16 could be a game-changer for the tech giant, especially with its enhanced AI integration for photography and performance optimization. In a significant development, Apple announced this week that it is expanding its presence in the healthcare sector. The company's Apple Health platform is now being integrated with major healthcare providers, allowing users to seamlessly manage their health data, from tracking vital signs to accessing medical records. This move positions Apple as a major player in the fast-growing digital health space, which is expected to reach $660 billion globally by 2025. Investors are particularly bullish on this expansion, as it diversifies Apple's revenue streams beyond hardware sales. By leveraging its ecosystem of devices, Apple is creating a comprehensive digital health platform that could drive long-term growth. In the early hours of the iPhone 16 release day, excitement around Apple's new flagship phone drove pre-market trading higher. Investors were optimistic about the new features, rumored to include enhanced AI capabilities, a breakthrough in battery life, and superior camera technology. As a result, Apple's stock opened with a strong upward surge in the first hour of trading. The initial rally reflected high expectations from both investors and consumers, as Apple continues to dominate the smartphone market globally. However, as the day progressed, Apple's stock began to show increased volatility. By midday, analyst reactions and early reviews of the iPhone 16 started to trickle in, with some mixed opinions. While many praised the innovative features, there were concerns about the price point, particularly in regions like Europe and Asia, where the product was seen as more expensive compared to previous models. Additionally, there were supply chain concerns regarding component shortages for the new model. This caused Apple's stock to dip as some investors became more cautious about the potential for missed sales targets. In the afternoon session, Apple's stock began to recover as positive news about strong pre-order numbers started to come in. Initial sales reports indicated that demand for the iPhone 16 was surpassing expectations, especially in key markets like the United States and China. This uptick in demand helped Apple's stock rebound before the market closed. The strong consumer interest provided reassurance to investors that Apple's dominance in the smartphone industry remains intact, despite early concerns. So, what does this mean for investors? Apple's stock fluctuation on the iPhone 16 release day is a typical pattern seen during major product launches. While there is often volatility as analysts and consumers react to new products, the long-term demand for Apple's devices remains strong. For long-term investors, Apple's ability to generate substantial sales and maintain its brand loyalty is a positive sign. However, short-term traders should keep an eye on potential supply chain issues that could affect shipments and sales figures in the coming months. Apple's dominance in the tech industry remains unchallenged. The company's ability to integrate hardware, software, and services into a seamless ecosystem is a key competitive advantage. Apple's services division, which includes the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, and Apple TV Plus, now generates over $20 billion in revenue each quarter and continues to grow. However, Apple faces some challenges, particularly with regulatory scrutiny over its App Store policies and growing competition in the smartphone market. Competitors like Samsung and Google are pushing out premium devices with comparable features, which could eat into Apple's market share. Moreover, any delays in the iPhone 15 supply chain could affect short-term earnings. So should you buy, sell, or hold Apple stock? For long-term investors, Apple's strong product pipeline, expanding ecosystem, and growth into new sectors like healthcare make it an attractive option. The company's ability to innovate and maintain its dominance in the tech industry continues to drive shareholder value. However, short-term risks such as supply chain issues and increasing competition should be monitored closely. Thanks for watching this Apple stock update. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Smart Market Watch for more updates on the latest stock trends. Let us know in the comments if there's a stock you'd like us to cover next.